we go, Trooper 144 back in the woods this time. And what are you doing in front of your computer? It's almost hunting season. You need some trigger time, and we'll show you what you can do for exercise. And that's what's coming up next on Trooper 144. You already know my good friend Lieutenant Dan. This is my another good friend Big Daddy, and this one is called the Countdown Balloon Popper. Let's go. 3, 2. That's how you have fun with an air rifle. Let's try some more.
This is a bang boom target with a CFX on 30 meters. Very nice.
This one is called the No Looker CO2 Pistol Balloon Popper. Got that one. Yeah. That's how it's done, boys. Let's have some fun.
Yes, shooting a .177 caliber air rifle here on a bang boom target, and yeah, let's see what it does. I think that worked.
This is Trooper 144, this is a Selfie bottle blaster. This is splitting the card at 30 meters with the CFX air rifle.
Yes. Yes.
Away.
Oh,
This splitting a card at 30 meters with an air rifle. 1 successful, 2 halfways. Thank you for watching Trooper 144. Like and subscribe.
Yes, we can't leave you without a bang, so let's get a bang and like Trooper 144.
out. Well, I can only say that's going out with a bang. Thanks for watching, Lieutenant Dan, Big Daddy. Was an awesome day. And please, like they said, like, subscribe. We're here for you. Trooper 144 signing off.